Over the last 5 or 6 years, Niraj has made a significant contribution to Essex's KTP portfolio. His first engagement with us on the finishing line ended up being the Innovate UK inaugural Best Management KTP project, with a company who've gone on to great things and stayed in contact with the university ever since.
My experience of working with Niraj was absolutely fantastic. Niraj was a very commercial aware person, was able to blend the academic insight into a business perspective, which allowed the project to streamline, keep on track, and then also in terms of looking at challenges, he was very optimistic.
It has been a privilege to work with Professor Niraj Kumar. He has a strategic mindset, and he not only focuses on solving immediate problems, but also identifies futures, opportunities and challenges and makes sure to address them well in advance.
The KTP project has given me the opportunity to work on a real life problems, which I always thought of working on, but I never got the opportunity.
Niraj's commitment, fairness, transparency, openness, and supportiveness is what has made him an effective leader, but also an outstanding researcher in our group.
One of the things that really impressed me was not only has he got great knowledge of the supply chain and the new things that are coming along in the supply chain, he was a great opportunity for Josh, our associate, to take time out of the business and just use Niraj as a sounding board.
It feels excellent that the awardee committee has recognized my contribution, and I'm very excited to receive this award.